welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This one will be generation 2012 to 2018, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace windshield wiper motor. Okay, you have two windshield wiper motors, not just one, two of them, and we'll show you how to remove and replace them. One is on this side, one is on the other one. So let's go ahead, guys, start on it and show you what we need to do now. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. In the meantime, that's our goal here at the shop, to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So in order to remove the motor now, we need to go ahead and remove the windshield wiper arms as well, both of them. Okay, one on the right, one on the left side. So let's go ahead and start on this one now. First, you can see there is a cap that we need to remove. Just pull it out, it's a rubberized cap. Now grab a 15mm socket. Okay, get the nut loose. There is a washer there. Okay, let me just focus quick here to show you. Okay, nut, a washer, and a plastic cap. Now the same thing on this side. So we'll go ahead and remove the nut and a washer. Now it's very important how you remove those. You need to install them in exactly the same way, otherwise your wipers will not work. We'll have a video how to synchronize them as well. It will be on the channel. So lift them up, grab the arm and move it like up and down a little bit. Okay, just don't go left and right, try to go just up and down. And eventually it will come off. Okay, perfect, just like that. One is out. Now we just need to remove the second wiper arm on this side. Okay, perfect, this one is out as well. So next we'll need to go ahead, open the hood now again, and we need to get, okay, plastic trim removal tool. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Now right here there is 4 clips. Okay, one here. You need to pop the center piece out, then pull the whole clip. Perfect. One more there. Then we have 2 more that we need to remove, identical. Just pull the center piece out and the rest of it. Okay, this is the 4th one. Perfect. Okay, this one's out. So, okay, let me check this. We don't need to remove the caps here. We need to go ahead and get a torque start looking bit. Okay, for this bolt right there. So that's what we'll be doing now. Perfect. One more on this side, just identical. Now all you need to do, okay, this piece you grab, okay, and pull it up. There is a canal that goes right here, so you need to twist it a little bit to come out of the canal. Okay, and then pull the whole thing out. Okay, you can see just like that. So that cowl piece is out of the way now. Next we need a 10mm socket. Okay, and extension right there. 2 bolts that we need to remove, one here, one more over there. Okay, if you pull out the rubber cap, you can get the socket in there usually. If not, you can. Perfect. So we'll get the bolt out now. Okay, great. So we have the wiring harness now still here. The motor attaches, it goes in a rubber bushing on the top. Okay, this is the rubber bushing right there. Now the wire press down on the back side. Okay, and pull it apart now. Okay. Perfect, you can see like that, guys, and this is your windshield wiper motor. Now the right and the left side, the procedure is identical for both sides, so we'll just demonstrate on one of them. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys, save you some money. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.